So today we want to start exercise 13.1. So in 13.1 exercise we have to go through the formula, that is CSA and DSA. Mostly we have to do this type of formula. Two cubes are there. So if I join, two cubes are there. Again I extend. So two cubes are there. So now that way here 64, two cubes of each, volume 64. So a the power 3 is equal to 64. So a is equal to 4. So 4 I have to write it here. Again 4 at here and 4 at here. So height should be now 8. Length should be 4 and breadth should be 4. So now how we can get answer? So A, resulting surface. So it is a cuboid. It is now cuboid. So formula of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into, if we will put value, that is L into B. Here it is length, here it is breadth, here it is height. So 4 into, we have L into B, that is 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8 plus 8 into 4. So if we simplify, we can get answer, that is 160. Again volume of cube, that is 64 centimeter cube. So we apply it here. So that is 64 centimeter cube. Sides of the cuboid formed by joining the two cube, that is now L, here it is B, here it is H. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, you will get answer 64 centimeter square. Now next question. A vessel is in form of hollow hemisphere mounted in hollow cylinder. Diameter of the hemisphere, so D, that is given. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Total height, so total height, that is 13 centimeter. Find inner surface area. So inner surface, this is the figure here with one cylinder. So total height is 30. So here it is R, here it is H. So H plus R is equal to 30. Now what formula we have to apply it here? That is 2 pi RH, and here 2 pi R square. Let me see that how we have to do this. So radius of cylinder, that is 7 centimeter. Height, that is 6 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere, that is 7. Now inner vessel formula, that is CSA, that is 2 pi RH plus hemisphere, that is 2 pi R square. Now we have to put the value. So two different way we can solve. If we will make common 2 pi R and H plus R, we can get apply same formula. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. We can do it by this formula. 2 pi R in bracket H plus R, we can get same answer. Now 2 into 22, that is again R, already written 7, and H plus R already 30. So 7 7 cut, same 44 into 30. So we can get answer 570 centimeter square. Now question number 3. There are 9 sums in exercise 13.18 sums. We have to do mostly all sum. So tau is in form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hollow hemisphere with same radius. So which type of figure? That type of figure here we can say it is also a correct figure. So height, that is total height, is given 15.5. So you will see that here it is R, here it is H. So we can, here it is H, here it is R. So H plus R, that is given 15.5. Now to find out height, 3.5 should be minus. So how we can do it? Radius 3.5, height of cone 5.5 minus 3.5, that is 12. Height of cone, that is 12. Radius of hemisphere, that is 3.15. Now what we have to put? So formula, which formula we have to use? That is pi RL plus 2 pi R square. So first of all, how to find out L, that is described here. So already we have discussed L square is equal to H square plus R square. So we can get answer 156.25, that is 12.5. Now two formula we have to use, that is pi RL plus 2 pi R square. So pi RL plus 2 pi R square. Now pi R is common. We can say L plus 2R. So now value of pi we have to put up. Value of pi, that is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into R. So already we know that value of R, that is 3.5. And in bracket L plus 2R. The value of L, that is 12.5. Twice 3.5. So 22 by 7 into 3.5 into directly if you will see 19.5. So 3.5 to 11. So at last we have got 11 into 19.5. We will get same answer. So two different way we can do this sum. Either you make common outside and then solve it, or you have to do thoroughly each time. So every time you have to put value of pi in this. While here we are explaining only pi we have to take common. So now next, a cubical box is surmounted by, so that is a figure. So length is now L is equal to 7. L is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter, it is equal to D. So diameter is equal to length. So diameter means 2R is equal to 7. So R is equal to 7 by 2. Now what is the greatest diameter? That is already we have discussed. Find the total surface area of solid. So total surface area of solid, what we have to use? Total surface area of cubical box plus total surface area of hemisphere minus area of base. So formula, that is here 6a square circumference of hemisphere, CS of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square, minus area of base, that is pi r square. Now if you will simplify, we can get 6a pi r square. If you will put value 6 into 7 square plus 22 into 7 into 3.5, that is 3.5 into 3.5, and make cancellation, you will get answer. So answer is 332.5 centimeter square. Now fifth sum. Hemispherical depression is cut from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter of L hemisphere is equal to the edge of cube determined by the remaining solid. So this type of figure, if you will see the figure at here, and here it is a cuboid. So if you will see, we can use formula 6L square plus, that is 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So 6L square plus pi r square. Now if we simplify, we have to put a value, that is L. So 6L square plus pi into r, that is L by 2. Why we can say L by 2? Diameter is equal to L. So 2r is equal to L. So r is equal to L by 2. So 6L square plus by 4. So L square we have to make common, 6 plus pi by 4. And make LCM, you will get answer. Let me check that how we have to do this. So that is a AD formula. So 6 plus 4 pi by L square. So we have to say that L square in bracket 24 plus pi by 4. That is the answer, and you have to write. Now that is question number 6. So fifth sum we have completed. Now we go for sixth sum. Okay, so because now okay, so already here written question number 6. So solution is written here. So now I am directly explain you. We have to convert this into here. If you will see there. So two hemispheres are there with one rectangle or cylinder. Here it is a cylinder. Here it is a hemisphere. Again here hemisphere. So curved surface area of capsule is cylinder plus twice hemisphere. Cylinder plus twice hemisphere. So 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square. Now what I am doing it here, now 2 pi r we have to make common. 2 pi r we have to make common. So h plus 2r. Now 2 pi r bracket h plus 2r, we have to put a value. So 2 into 22 by 7, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So diameter 5. So radius we can put 5 by 2. So I have to put 5 by 2 at here. In bracket, what I have to write, h plus 2r. So what is h? So length of cylinder, that is 9. So h, that is 9, plus 2 into r, that is 5 by 2. These two cut. Here 2 cut. So 110 by 7. And here if you will see it is 40. So 2 that. So we can get answer 220 centimeter square. Same thing at here 220 centimeter square. But it is better that if you will make common and then solve the sum. So that is question number 6. Now 7. So we have to draw one tent. Here we can say it is H. Again here it is H. Here it is R. Question is, tent is in shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of cylinder are part of 2.1, so you will see that it is a height. So H is equal to, you can say 2.1 meter. And diameter, that is 4. Diameter is equal to 4, so radius is equal to 2. Let me see that now. So that type of figure is here. So we can say here 2.1, 2.8 and 4. Now, so height is at here, diameter 4 to radius 2, height of cone that is L 2.8. We have to put the value, that is pi RL plus pi RL pi RL plus 2 pi RH. Now we have to make common pi R. So it is easy to solve it. Pi R in bracket L plus 2H. So length, that is already L is here 2.8 plus twice into H, that is 4.2, we can say 2 into 2.1. So 2.8 plus 4.2, you will get 7. So directly 22 by 7 into R, that is 2 into 7. We can cancel it. You will get answer 44 meter square. You will get answer 44 meter square. Now 44 into 500. You will get 2200 rupees. So that is question number 7. Now 8. Already I have described this in school also. So wooden article is made of scooping. So we see the figure first. So if you will see it here, one sphere, hemisphere, another hemisphere. So two hemisphere here with one cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, but twice. So simple formula is 2 pi RH plus 4 pi R square. Now if we make common 2 pi R, we have to write H plus 2R. Let me see that how we have to do. So same 2 pi RH into 2, that is 2 pi RH plus 4 pi R square. So we have to make common 2 pi R in bracket H plus 2R. Now put value, that is H is 10, so I have to put 10. 2 into R, radius is there. If you see radius, that is R is equal to 3.5. So 2 into 3.5. And we have to put value at here. into 3.5. So 3.5 2s are again 2 to cut. So only 22 with 19. Sorry, 3.5 into 2 or 17. So 17. We can get 374. We'll get value 374. 17 into 22. 374. So mostly we have discussed all the sum. So exercise 13.1 we have completed it here. Now in next lecture we go for the 13.2. Thank you.